Hi everybody, welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. So I got a 12 by 12 gallery wrap, nice pretty canvas here, and I'm going to do a Dutch pour, and I'm playing around with metallics. I've got metallic Artist Loft Old Gold and Artist Loft Silver and Artist Loft Neon Pink. I know, really bright. And in these, it may look like white, but it's white and Floetrol and Interference Blue by Golden, which is kind of like, it gives it like a blue opal-y shimmer. Hopefully, we'll see once it dries. I tested it out. And then this one has the Interference Gold in it, mixed with white. So I won't know until it's dry if that even has any effect. But the only real color that's not, you know, gold or pearl is this neon pink. So if this sucks, I'm gonna scrape it. It's just a wild idea I had in my head, and I'm like, I just gotta try it because I can't get it out of my head until I try it. And I got a whole bunch of white. Now this doesn't have anything in it. It's just regular flow acrylic white with Floetrol and water mixed to consistency. All right, so my camera might get a little wonky while I'm covering this in white. Hopefully if I leave this here, it'll keep the camera in focus. But it will come in focus once I start putting color on the canvas. So how have you guys been? I hope you had a wonderful Easter. These colors reminded me of like a champagne celebration, like an anniversary or something like that, you know, because it's glittery and shimmery and very champagne celebration-y. And of course girly because of the pink. I hear a lot of things about my camera being fuzzy, and it has to have something to focus on. So just be patient. Okay, put my hand there so focus. Okay, so I have no idea what order I'm going to do this in. I'm just playing around. Okay, I think I'm going to layer. I'm going to do some layering. I'm going to go with pink first. And then the gold. And then silver. Silver anniversary, gold anniversary. Some blue interference mixed with white. Some more pink. Some more gold. Some silver again. And then this is the interference mixed with white. Okay. So now I'm going to do my circle in white. And I'm gonna see how this thing does on low, and I think it should be good. Of course my torch isn't working. The one thing I didn't check. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Now this thing I think is going to sparkle like mad. Let me turn it a little bit when it's dry. Wow, I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. Crazy, huh? Just one pink and then metallics. I got some really nice effects. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get a little more effects. Now, if you can't see that across the room, I don't know what's wrong with you. Oh wow, really neat. Awesome. Okay, here it is, close up. Oh my gosh, you guys. So pretty. I can't wait to see this dry. You know, I'll show you guys when it's dry, okay? It's gonna take maybe a day, maybe two, it depends. All its pink glory. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed, hit the button, subscribe, the bell, like my video if you do, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye now.